What's up everybody, this is Benji back with another video for you guys of stock hours, and today I'm going over a Tesla trade I took where I made over $1,300. So, to show you guys the chart setup and everything before, I cleaned up the chart so you can see the exact level I'm playing. It was a 725 area, so you guys can see that it held it here as support. We pushed up, had this big rejection from 778, and then we sold off here. And then we made this trend line around 680, and then we pushed up here, and then we rejected. If we look at the high of this candle, it's around 726, so we rejected a little bit above 725. But if you look at this other candle, the high is 725.09, so we had a nice clear rejection on the bigger time frames at that level. So, and then you can see today we pushed up. This was what I played. We broke, pushed up to the 200 moving average, and then got rejected again. So the way I was looking to play this trade was I was looking to play the red to green candles. So this is to my trading setup here, and you can see pre-market we pushed up to 723.50, made that high, pulled back right before open. I really enjoyed the setup. On NQ we had this high, and then we pushed up, rejected close to it around that 11,930 level. So I was looking for NQ to push up through this with Tesla. I was looking to play the red to green with a starter size and then add before 725. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the video here. You can see where I execute right here on Book Trader with Interactive Brokers. Oops. Alright, so we open here. You can see the candle. We open red. It's pushing up a little bit. I was just waiting. You get the buyers taking profits here, and NQ's over here pushing aggressive. So like I said, I had on the order entry window, I had 4 contracts loaded up. That was going to be my initial starter position of around 2K. They're around 450, 420 each. And then on right before the 725 break, I was going to add 8 contracts and get in with my full position with around $8,000. So you can see this candle starts to flip here. It's the buying pressure is kicking in, NQ's pushing. I think I waited for around 722 as my confirmation to get in. Yep, I'm in. And then you can see we already pushed up to 724, and I'm up crazy. I'm already up 20% on this trade. Like, this trade was absolutely insane. You can see on level 2 where 15 cents before the break, I get in with my full position with 12 contracts. And then we push breakthrough. I'm up 715 already, and now I'm gonna wait for the 726 break to sell my first half. We break that, I'm out with 600 profits already. I'm waiting. I go ahead and change this to 3. I sell another half. Boom! I already secured 1,400 or $1,000 here, and I'm up 419. So realistically, I wish I sold my full position here instead of trying to scale out. I was waiting with these last 3 contracts to sell at that 730 break. But you see we start coming back down a little bit here. I took the rest of it off there. I just took my profits, said screw it. I wasn't going to go red on that at all. We pushed back up a little bit. But you know, I was super happy with my execution there. I played it safe. I didn't want to be sorry. I took my profits on that last bit of position, and I did super well at scaling out. Me scaling out of that trade, you know, put me in the position where I could hold a little bit longer just because I secured that profit earlier. And you can see I even have my stop loss marked on my chart. I've been trying to do that recently. It's normally the general area I'm watching for my stop loss. So like I was playing 725, my stop was 723. I was risking $2 for a, my target was the 730 break, so I was risking $2 for a $5 move. Ended up selling for around a $3.50 move. So like I still did really well, especially since I played the red to green. So I caught, from 722 to 728, which is pretty insane. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see it's even respecting my stop loss here pretty nicely. We can honestly speed this up and see what it does. It pushes right back up. I could have waited with those last couple contracts low key, and we take out this high and break real quick, and then it kind of just does this rejection here. So it was a tough one. We pop back up, and then we finally broke through 730 right then and there. So that's what that would have been my target on that trade, and that was just insane. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Realistically, all this comes down to having that strict plan and then sticking to it, respecting your stop losses, respecting your targets. Aiming the scale out of the play is always super helpful to help you, maintain level-headed and all that. So if you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks. Peace.